our attempt is to get that kind of situation which can give me quietness. Nobody works to get disturbed. Nobody studies to get sadness. Nobody marries to be frustrated. In spite of our goals, you will feel many people have left us, many have been with us, but our state of mind of shok moh, fear doesn't leave a person. Regret doesn't leave a person. Some kind of unfulfilled nature doesn't leave a person. How much we do, everybody will agree that everybody has worked a lot. Out of all people who are sitting here, or who will be sitting, everybody will agree that they have worked a lot. In the home, in the office, in the student life, as a father, as a mother, maybe as a son. 8 hours we give for our job. How much we have spent in our traveling? How much we have spent time in talking? How many times we must have gone to the market? How many times we must have met someone here and there? And I ask simple question. Has the sadness, regret, etc. increased, decreased, or it's same? Or fourth option is none of these. Huh? Increased, number 2 decreased, number 3 same, number 4 none of these. Huh? How many of you favor in number 1? Number 1 I think will be majority. Why? Earlier you had lesser money. Earlier you had lesser people were knowing you. Now more people may be knowing. Every 5-10 years more people know. We have more gadgets. 25 years back we had no concept of mobile. I still remember first mobile came, very heavy mobile was. There is nothing called SMS in that. It was a very amusing and amazing thing, you hear that. So first person who brought used to show to everybody. Huh? Then SMS one came, we had to press many times. Some still use that. And if you miss one word, slowly advanced phones came, smartphones came. What? Touch me not. What that? What? Touch screen. That phone came. By mistake also it will be. Sometimes somebody called, and many times it happened that person didn't know they had called. By mistake and by dial. and whatever he was talking, I was listening. अब बताओ क्या क्या हो गया है. इतना कुछ हो गया है. So many gadgets. Now you can't imagine life without mobile. So once upon a time there was no phone in the house also. Why? Where have we gone wrong? What is the problem? Relational problems have increased. Mentally, earlier we were sleeping well. If you agree, 20 years back, you had a better sleep. What is the missing link here? Maybe lesser anger must be there. Maybe expectation must be lesser. ये तो छोड़ ही नहीं रहा है साथ हमारा. This shok, this moh, this is not leaving me. What can I do for that? We will see in 3 days. You know, we are very busy. Science has given a lot of sensual objects for us. I don't know whether our great-grandfathers had eaten cake or not. No way? I don't think so. Huh? Halwa was enough. Halwa, puri, all these things, had the mithai was enough. हाँ, केक का तो कंसेप्ट नहीं आया. I think oven brought the cake. Many things in science brought new dishes also. Similarly, many more things are there. We have more variety of taste now than 40 years our people had. More spectrum is there. We have a big spectrum available of tasting so many things. We have more spectrum of music available. There was radio used to be there, very big radio. And a fine setting was required. And some people from here used to catch India also. With Bharati. If you miss little 9 o'clock, then you can't catch. You have to be very careful, calibrate that. You know that big one. Now on the internet you can connect anywhere. What was my problem? Problem was we left slowly we are leaving our own source. What for I was made, I forgot this. Whom for I was designed, I forgot this. Whom for I should work, I forgot this. I'm not saying that now you will say, no, I do regular puja, good that you do. But there is an intellectual forgetfulness. I don't bother for whom I am working. I don't bother what was my main aim. To complete the work somehow has become the target and goal. Earn some money has become target and goal. But for whom? Are we born to have a family, live and die? Huh? Are we born just to get ourselves educated? Do some courses here and there till graduation or honors? Get a job, get a family, have children, have grandchildren. My age is 60 now, 70. Heart attack will be there, some cause will be there, or liver problem, etc. And one day others hear, I don't hear fortunately, that I am no more, he is no more. Finish हो गई हमारी बात. इसी के लिए हम पैदा हुए थे. My aim was just to, this much only was my total aim. क्या था हमारा पर्पस? क्या है? What is the main thing? For a moment, let us think and think. We never understand that we were born to purify our mind. We never understand we were born to lessen our desires. We never even calculate our mind that we were born to love God. We don't understand that we were born so that we don't get new birth. We are born so that we don't get new birth. People sometimes say, give me the message for my birthday. I say, best is do something so that next you are not born only. Best gift of the birthday is that no birthday you should have at all. This is the opening of all problems only. What? Birth. Body comes, diseases comes. Who has not suffered from many diseases? Acha, no, I have no diseases. Okay, from the people associated who have diseased mind. I'm oblivious of all these things. I live an intoxicated life. Where I am a very busy person, I have to earn somehow because too many cards are there, we have to pay every month. House rent is there and this loan is there, that loan is there, five card people have not there. Somehow meet the ends and just carry on. इसी के लिए हम पैदा हुए थे. That was my goal of my birth. And that was for God had sent me on this earth. We make 1-2 houses, that is our goal, that I have now my own house. Earlier I had 2 cars, now I have 4 cars. I have brought 1 car for my child also. Khush raho. Huh? Earlier I had, this thing, I have now made a bigger kind of, I have joined another office now. Earlier I was in that place, now I have a bigger, better office. I am working in another office. Bas. Khush. Who has got the happiness? We have forgotten that I was born to come close to Lord. This body is meant to discover something. Who has been happy by attachment? Who has been happy by getting very close to someone and getting very attached? When we remember this, then we come. And we use, no doubt we are religious, but we use religious personality so that our material life is quietened. Our religious life, Satnarayan Puja is there so that our house can be quiet. Isi Pingo we go on Good Friday. Good Friday, Easter Monday, no? 3 days. 3 days, quite a rush is there, I heard. Do you think people go and ask for purity of mind? Maybe few. Everybody has some family problem, some health problem, finance problem. यही है ना बस. After another 20-30 years we'll pass away. There is no big increment in the quality of my thinking. Scriptures say be independent. Emotionally be independent. Don't get trapped emotionally. Keep away live without desires. Come to a goal where you don't have desire. Percentage evolution is equal to maximum happiness by minimum desire. When the bottom is zero, happiness is infinite. Percentage happiness, others are not in there. Never mind. अरे भाई क्या है इसमें? वो तो बोलते हैं गीता इट इज सेड प्रजाहाति लिटिल आवर डिजायर्स आर नॉट फुलफिल्ड वी आर एवरीवेयर. अरे scriptures want anybody comes and go. You be in your own pristine glory. Anybody dies or does not die. Gatasu na gatasu shananu shochanti pandita. Well, should I become like a stone? No, you need not become a stone. You develop to that state of mind where you can give, but you are not taking and expecting a lot. Where I am not shaken up by anything. Where is no loss appears to be my loss. Where no gain from outside appears to be big gain. There is no gain called gain because every gain is over after some time. Tell me one gain you said it is forever, and one loss you felt it is forever. What you felt was a big shock. It was not a shock. Scriptures want to lift us from where I am. They are warning us, hey, hello, please be careful. Rise yourself to that extent. Our mental moods, our desires, our various kinds of impurities, try to get out of it. And therefore, remember the infinite. You are feeling very finite, try to be infinite. You are remembering very small, become bigger by remembering the bigger. Remember the truth of that. All sadness is because holding on to something false. Life was not meant to hold on to false. We have, in this hurry and worry of this life, we have forgotten all this. When we come to satsang, we get a little jerk. Many of you must be feeling what has happened to Swamiji. So, something about truth appears as abnormal. I went to some place in Allahabad. So 7 days we had Dakshinamurti Stotram, something like that. Very high class text was there. So that person came, he said, "Why Swamiji, very nice. 7 days were bliss. You gave us so much of bliss, but to come normal it takes 5 days. Normal, that means when his mind has gone down, that is his normal state. I said, this is your more natural state. When you are in satsang and you are quiet, that is your natural state. Or when you are in office and house and worrying and hurrying, anxiety, that is your natural state. You think? You know why? Here we have left our desire, we have left our ahankar, we have no other ambition. Mobile also you don't have to see. Please put it off. And you are not worried what will happen in the house, you are not worried anywhere. You have left everything, you are just coming in front of the Lord. What is the mood? I have come to hear about Lord. For one moment only, 1 hour your mind becomes quiet. Very desire to listen satsang quietens your mind. Desirelessness is our state. Desirelessness is more closer to us than desire. Angerlessness is more closer to us than anger. In this mode, same truth is called Ram, Krishna. Let us see now. Let us change our mode for some time. A lot of modes are there. Office mode is there. House mode is there. Let us go to Ram mode for some time. Let us think about him. For a moment, forget you are in Durban. Let us go to Aranyakand behind him. Man se to jana hai. You don't require any visa. You just think about that. No money required. Why you have to go and spend so much of money? From here only you go. Chalo re man Ganga Jamna Tir. Chalo bhai. Let us see now. If you remember, Bhagwan Ram changed the mindset. Whole sadhana is changing the mindset. Please don't get upset. Changing the mindset is what is required. The way of seeing the thing is changing. I told you many times that religion is not the way of seeing certain things. It is a certain way of seeing the things. It is another way of seeing the things. Nothing to do. See. Let us stop doing for some time. Enough of doing. Doing this, doing that, doing that. Whole day doing. Leave it. Drop the kartatva abhiman. Bole, who will do after 8 o'clock? Arey bhai, for half an hour, let us not do anything. Be whatever is there. Listen about Lord. And Bhagwan is very beautiful. He has left our ears. There is no earlid like eyelid has. Otherwise in satsang all would have closed. Aap suno bas. I have to do this. For some time, keep the doership away. Let Bhagwan enter into your heart. Make your heart the forest where Bhagwan Ram is going to wander. So here, if you remember last month, we were with Agastji. Bhagwan Ram had met Agastji and asked him, where shall I stay? Please tell me how shall I kill the demons? If you remember it. Bole, I am not there. Never mind. So there, when Agastji says, Dandak man puneet prabhu karahu, Ugra sap munibar kar harahu. Please go into Dandak one and purify that place and go and bless the saints there. Because Bhagwan Ram is going to Dandakaranya. This is in Maharashtra right now. Nashik is a place. Nashik. They say Nashik. Have you heard that? Trimbakeshwar. Anybody who has gone to Trimbakeshwar, one of the Jyotirling is there. So near that area, that is called Dandakaranya is there. So here, let us see what happens now. Please, after 13th Doha, Jab te Ram Keentah Basa. Let us chant. If you have brought Ramayana, can Paramika can close the windows. It is fluttering. Please chant. After 13th Aranyakara. Jab te Ram Keentah Basa, Sukhi gaye muni jeeti Giri ban nadi taal chhabi chaaye, din din prati akhi honi suhaaye, khag mrig vrand anandit Sovan parani nasak ahi raja, Jaat gat raghuveer biraja, Ek baar prabhu sukh asina, Lakshman bachan kahe chalhina, Sur nar muni sacharaachar साई, मैं पूछा हूँ निज प्रभु की नाई, मोहि समुझारी कहूँ सोई देवा, सब तजी करऊँ चरण रज सेवा, कहूँ ज्ञान विराग रुमाया, कहूँ सो भगति करऊँ ईश्वर जीव भेद प्रभु, सकल कहूँ समुझाई, कासे होई चरण रति, शोक मोह रम जाई, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की।
भगवान राम stayed there and it is written, beautiful line, जब ते राम कीन तह बासा, सुखी भय मुनि बीती त्रासा. Wherever Bhagwan Ram went, everybody became very happy. And one good person changes the place. What to say of Bhagwan Ram? It becomes a pilgrimage. Remember, no pilgrimage is made by God. All pilgrimages are made by saints only. Because they manifest the God. Do you think Chitrakoot is because of Bhagwan Ram? No. Chitrakoot is because Atri Anusuya were there. Therefore, because they were there, Bhagwan Ram was pulled towards Chitrakoot. Everywhere like that. So Bhagwan Ram, as when he started living, a person is known by how much joy is because of him. How many smiles he added. When Bhagwan Ram was there, Sukhi bhai muni biti trasa, everybody was happy. Because by nature, we are having the nature of joy. But when you see a desireless person, desire goes away for some time. When you see Lord Ram, for a moment your desire will go away because you don't see any desire in him. If you see somebody crying, you also feel like crying. And if you see somebody laughing, you also feel like laughing, even if you don't know what is the cause. We take the bhav of other person. So since Bhagwan Ram was residing, everybody was very, very quiet, very composed, divine. And whose name purifies us, what to say of his form? What to say of his leela? What to say of his smile, etc. In Kedarnath, there is one small pond. If anybody has gone to Kedarnath, some of you have gone from here. So there if you go, you say bam bam bole. Yaad hai? Nahi yaad hai? Some of you are there. So you say bam bam bole. So that particular pond becomes very happy. And out of it happiness, it starts having bubbles. I'm not lying, those who have gone and seen. So it won't say, otherwise it is calm and quiet. So you go near that pond and say, bam bam bole. So it will start having that bubble. And again if you quiet, again it will become quiet. Again if you will say again, Bhagwan ke naam mein shakti. Simple Ram word gives quietness. Sukhi bhai muni biti trasa. Everybody's joy came back. Everybody's sorrow went away. Giriban nadi tal chhabi chhai. All the mountains, there is happiness in the air also. They say also there was an air of optimism. You say the aura is good. Now they say vibes are good here. Vibes. Not wives, wives. Vibes are good. Only this place, vibes are good. They made short of everything. I'm going for ops because vibes. Ops. Operation ops. Air is also happy, sun is also happy. You see on Ram Navami day, the air you see, especially the ashram air. And Sharad Purnima night you see, when Raslila is started. When I go to Vrindavan, I mean, whatever crowd is there, I don't remember all these crowds, but I feel there's a different mud there. As if each particle is chanting Kana Kana. There's a different kind of Jamna ji there. There's a different kind of trees there. When I enter Seva Kunj, different trees are there. If they are searching for the feet of the Lord. Nature is also talking. खुश है आप. ठीक है. We feel only, people only talk. Mountain is happy, trees are happy, lake is happy. Din dan prati ati ho hi suhai. Everything was becoming beautiful every day. This you will see when you come inside the ashram. You will feel a change. As you enter, moment you enter, you will see a change. And as you go out, that also will see a change. There is something. Place makes a difference. When I used to go to Ganges in my young age, moment I went and sat near Ganges, whole mind used to become so quiet. Just eyes used to close, Ganga ji was flowing like this, har har har, and just remain quiet. And you know what was the secret of that? Because many saints were living there. And temple was there. Pure person makes a place pure. He pulls all devatas around. He pulls Lord around. So here also when Bhagwan Ram came, Khag, Mriga, Brinda, Anandit Rahi, even the birds and animals were happier. Only birds are also happy, of course. Birds are happy. They chirp when they are happy. In the morning they start chirping. It's because of their happiness. Okay. Animals are also happy. Of course they can't laugh. No puns intended. So, I'm just saying, they can't laugh, but they have their happiness. They express their happiness. When the dog sees, your home dog sees, he's so happy. Cats are also happy. Cats are happy. What do they do? They jump. Purr. Oh. Like this. Oh, they okay. So they are also happier. See, in Vrindavan, if you see the cows, very big cows are there. White big cows. And there is a bell hung on their neck. And when they move, you can see the joy. When evening time, still I have seen 100 cows are coming. And there is so much of joy in their cows. Once I took lot of jaggery. Cows love jaggery. And I didn't know that I saw only 5-6 cows are there. 80-90 cows came. I was in between. But I was not cowed down. So much of joy they had. Udiya Baba was there. Every day when he was sitting at a place, a snake used to come. And he stand like this. So he had peda. Peda means the sweet meat. So he used to take it and throw like that. Chalo. And do like this. Chalo, chalo, log dar rahe hain. Chalo, people are afraid. So he used to do parikrama. Well, don't touch Mahatma. He's a Mahatma. And you go away. Again he will come next day. I went to one Shivji's temple in Madhya Pradesh. You won't believe it. Deep inside the cave, Shivji was there. And there was one, they say, Nag Devta was there. And that Nag Devta had beard. Old Nag Devta was there. Sitting there, outside, in the pond, chup chap, sitting like that. They say, Bhai, yahi rakshak hai. He is inside the temple. Quiet. So we all had darshan, Nag Devta, we offered pranam. Sitting. They say in this afternoon, evening he will walk inside and go and sit near the Shivling. You know where Ishwar is there, Guru is there. You won't believe what I am. Nag Devta in one temple plucked Bil Patra and offered to Shivling. I will not say anything unless I have seen it. I saw that in the video. It plucked and offered to Shivling. Even the insects and plants are quiet where Lord's name is there, Lord's glory is there. About Bhagwan Ram it is said that the snakes, moment they saw Bhagwan Ram, they used to vomit their poison also. जिन्हीं देख मग सांपिनी पीछे तजही स्वभाव तिन तीछे. They used to leave their own poison also. Place is different. Every place is not same. Here everybody was happy because Bhagwan was there. House also, if you take Lord's name loudly, you will feel a change is the house. I went to Shivananda Ashram in Rishikesh. I went to Belur Mutt in Calcutta. And where these Swamijis were living, that rooms are still there. Belur Mutt, Swami Vivekananda's room is still there. His whole clothes are tired. Quiet. We think, place is made by the cosmetic changes doesn't make a place, like a cosmetic doesn't make a person. A good makeup doesn't mean that a person is good-hearted. There is something deeper in the place required. And then it is said, Madhup madhur gunjat chabilahi, these bees etc. were buzzing. And that glory could not be described even by Sheshnag, where Bhagwan Ram, it is said, Jahan prakat Raghubir biraja. If you go to Rameshwaram, and first time I went to Rameshwaram in 96, 97, it was just a miracle. So there was not so much of people and crowd. And when I went there, I was amazed. So much quietness. Near the Shivling I went. Then there's a patch which goes towards the ocean. The straight road is there, Dhanushkoti. Before that, both sides is ocean. Those who have gone to Rameshwaram, both sides is ocean, and in between is a road. When I went there, and it was an auto rickshaw, I didn't have a car also. Auto rickshaw, so nice. हम समझ गए कि भगवान राम आए हैं यहाँ पे. यहाँ आए हैं भगवान राम. It's a different place. In Chitrakoot, there is a place called Hanuman Dhara. Anybody must have gone. You have to climb like this. गए हैं आप लोग Hanuman Dhara. So on the top there is a constantly Hanumanji had taken water from there, and he extinguished the fire in the tail, and that dhara still is there. Sita Rasoi is there. When we go there, in this Kali Yuga also you feel it is Satyuga here or what? In spite of all the pollution, you feel difference is there. Every place is not same. Similarly, where Ram Bharat Malap is there. There is a place in Chitrakoot, that mountain, Kamadgiri mountain is there. People take parikrama. Everybody is thinking, no, I'll go next. And there the Ram Bharat Milap, there the whole, both the feet are intermingled like that. You just go there and just sit quietly. You will not believe, saints had darshan there of Bhagwan Ram. Bhagwan Ram had given darshan in Chitrakoot to many saints. Don't think it is just like this said by them. So here also Bhagwan came, whole environment changed. And then what happened? Bhagwan Ram was sitting once. एक बार प्रभु सुख आसीना, लक्ष्मण बचन कहे छलहीना. Bhagwan Ram was sitting. Bhagwan Ram, whenever he sits, he is very quiet. He is not restless. We should be quiet by whatever Bhagwan has given. Whatever Bhagwan has not given, we should not have it. You pray to God, Bhagwan, what you have not given, I should not desire. I should desire you only. And if anybody is giving problem, be happy that he is giving problem. You will be totally dispassionate. If anybody's family person is giving problem, please be happy. What satsang could not change, they will change. You should give them dakshina for that. Bhagwan Ram was sitting very happily. उनका तो नेचर ही था. Those who have nature to be quiet, it is right. Lakshman ji came. Acha, very rare place is there. Ram ji is as a guru, and Lakshman ji is as a disciple here. Don't think Lakshman ji is less. Lakshman ji is Jnani, he is avatar of Shesh. He himself is guru of all guru. He is Adi Shesh. But for us, he has become a disciple of Bhagwan Ram. And he is asking some question. Ek baar Prabhu sukh hasina. He was sitting. And then Lakshman ji came. Lakshman ji sat at the floor, folded his palms, and did like this. Means? I have a request. He nahi ki bhad se kuch bol diya. But if somebody's stage is high, his mental state is high, let it be high. Why should I disturb? Why should I pull him down? I can't lift myself. Why should I pull down? So therefore, in front of saints, etc., we should not just go and shout. Lakshmanji went there. Anybody who's down, your attention goes down. Lakshman bachan kahe chalina. There is no kapat in that. A person should be very easy to understand. We should be sure that this person has no hidden agenda. He has no crooked desire in his mind. It is easy to live with the person whom you feel that he is not hiding something. He is transparent, like a glass is there. And one can be transparent only when he is nishkam, he is pure. Impurity anybody will hide. Supposing supposing house is not clean, and on the bed only you have thrown all the clothes, etc. And you remember, somebody has come. Oh my God. अब क्या करें? How to remove all the clothes? So you take a Dove acetone, you on the top of that. Whatever is impure, you want to hide it. सब छिपा के रख दिया. And some almari was there, some cupboard you just stuffed inside jaldi jaldi. So much so if you open all of them fall down. But some for the time being you stuffed inside jaldi jaldi karo. Sometimes, dust is inside the carpet, beneath the carpet. When mind is pure, it is very expressible. What I think, remember how much you think, and about what you think, how much can you express? 20%, 10%, 5%. To that extent we have our purity. Child can express everything. A small child who has no desire, he can open his heart out. But as we grow, we become old fox. Because Purva Janam, we are all old Jeev. Don't think it has to do with age. Even 25% also can be old fox. Many things to hide, many things to cover. Isko chipaya yahan, isko yahan kiya. Something expressing, showing something which is not my there. You just don't understand this person is praising is true or false, what he wants, what is his mind, what he has thought about you last day, and what he is expressing today. Very difficult to think. But disciples should be like that, who is easy to. When a person does not have chal, he is innocent. Other person likes him because he knows that he will never be hiding anything. Lakshman Bachan kahe, chalhina. A person should be believable. When I don't express, I think others are also doing chal. The problem is this. And then he says, Sur Naramuni Sachara Sai. Oh Lord, you are the Lord of whole devatas, all human beings, all the inert, sentient. Who is saying? Lakshmanaji is saying. Lord is of all, he is the Lord of all. If he was not the Lord of all, how will our world run? How will you get fruits of action? He is the Lord of all. Ishana Sarvbhutanam Ishvara Sarvityanam Brahmadipati Brahmanodipati Brahma Shivome Stu Sava Shivoma Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Triprantakaya Trikalagni Kalaya Kalagni Rudraya Nilakantaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha. इतने बड़े भगवान है. अरे भगवान है. When Vaman Bhagwan took avatar, he started expanding. His 1 feet was on the south pole, other came to the north pole. हमको क्या पता कितने बड़े भगवान हैं. We can't guess also. And then his feet started extending. It came near Brahmalok. Brahmaji immediately took this kamandal, started washing the feet. He could only wash toes. Forget about feet, not toes, tip of the toe. सब खत्म हो गया पानी. Tip of the toe only. He is offering the water one after another, and that water is not percolating. It is not covering the whole toe. And Brahmaji couldn't touch whole toe also. He tried his best, went everywhere, but he could touch only some part of his nail. He got exhausted. He कहा हम नहीं पार्स कर सकते. इतनी महिमा है उनकी. He is the Lord of all. अच्छा, इतने बड़े भगवान. And beautiful line is there. Beautiful line. Please underline. मैं पूछा हूं निज प्रभु की नाई. Because somebody is big is very good, but you have to be my Lord also. Our biggest requirement is minus, I tell you. And because of this requirement, we have a lot of relations, which give a lot of trouble. We went for minus, but we got into trouble. But why mine should be? He should be my God. My God means what? Not oh my God. My God means, you know how minus comes to someone? How minus comes? Tell me. Minus comes when somebody is with you, for you, in you, he talks to you, who listens to you, who appears very good to you. If anybody appears very good to you, minus will come there. Or if minus is not there, you will like if he can be mine. Even if you see a good watch also, you will feel if it could be mine. Somebody is very good son also, you will see if my son can be like that. ये हमारा हो जाए कैसे भी करेंगे. If something is very good in your eyes, you will try to make it mine. Whole condition is that should appear very beautiful, very lovely, very nice. If Lord appears nice and beautiful, this desire will be there. Can he be mine? And he is very lovely. He is very beautiful. He is the one who has listened to you most. Yes, he is the one who has talked to you most. Whether even you don't listen, still he talks. He is the one who, knowing in and out how many faults, still he has not given up. He is the one who does not leave you. He is the one who tells to you every day, come closer to me. Come closer to me. Suno aap. He is the one who will be after the body leaves. अच्छे नहीं लगते भगवान. We don't feel this line. मैं पूछूं निज प्रभु की नाई. I want to say, as you are my God. Like Kaushalya ji told to Bhagwan Ram that you are my son. Can you say? Huh? Can you say? Whatever bhav you have. Or like Kevat could say to Bhagwan Ram, Hey Nath. Can you say? When anybody asks, who are your relatives? Your son will come, mother will come, father will come. God does not come. And all these relatives are useless in front of Lord. Useless means they are less effective. मैं पूछूं निज प्रभु की नाई. Can I ask? Because, moment I say you are mine, then I have an authority to ask also. We will never know the nature unless we allow him to express. How will you know somebody's nature unless you go to him? The beauty of living is loving one who's worth loving. How much Shabri must have felt? How much minus was in Shabri? बिना माइनस के कुछ मजा नहीं आता कहीं पे, बता रहे हैं आपको. You like your room because it is your. You like your shirt because it is your. Nobody will use it. If Lord is not mine, how you can have enjoyment? It is my room, it is my ashram, it is my house. Even if somebody loves his teacher because it is his teacher, he can say he is mine. And why he will say mine? Because someone appears good to you. All people are meant to live, but Lord is meant to be. He sees us, He wards off our difficulties. He will come to us. When you chant His name, He comes. You see or you don't see, that is your sensitivity. He stands. He stands. He talks. He warns you. He guides you. That Lord is our mind. Because Lakshmanji could be with Bhagwan Ram and serve, therefore he could say that I am asking as my Lord. Vishwanath Mamnath Purari. When Parvati ji asked the question, you know what she said to Shivji? You are Vishwanath, but you are Mamnath. That makes a difference. It is a relation with the Lord that makes a difference. And it is written, he is saying, Lakshmanji, Mohi samujhaho kaho soi deva. Please explain to me. Bhagwan Ram with the Vatsalya must have seen Lakshmanji. He was like a child. In front of Bhagwan Ram, he was like a child. Main sisu sevak sane pratipala. And that child which is newborn child. Although age-wise very less difference was there. Bhagwan was quiet. Then Lakshmanji again got up. He kneeled down and said, Sab taji karau charan rat seva. Lakshmanji, who was the Acharya of all seva, he is saying, I will serve you, leaving everybody, leaving everything. I will not serve you, I will serve the dust of your feet. That means I will give everything for you. I will announce all my thing, my life for you. Please explain to me. One should create desire in the Lord to give. One should create so much of compassion in the Lord's mind by His humility, by His oneness that He has no one. He has no one, nowhere to go, no one to talk to. इसको तो कोई पसंद ही नहीं आता है, हमारी पास रहेगा, कहाँ जाएगा, where will he go, what will he do, whom shall he approach? If I am not there, he will cry and die. ये रो के मर जाने वाला आदमी. Unless that sentiment is stronger, Lord's eyes doesn't become stable on us. It comes and goes. It flickers, sings me. But when my bhav is there, my ananyata is there, it doesn't come and go. It just stays. That is the beauty of devotion. I have left, I have nobody. हम जाए तो कहाँ जाए? Whom shall I talk to? Whom shall I laugh with? Whom shall I cry? I can't survive without you. This bhav is required for Lord. Lakshmanji was good in it. He had all bhav. Today he is saying, I will serve you in all ways. Please explain to me. Now Bhagwan Ram, then Bhagwan Ram signed. Okay, what you want to say? Creating a hearer out of Lord is the beauty of a devotee. Nobody belongs to us. These are all very false world, false relations. It's very temporary state. No problem is yours also. No joy is yours also. There is nothing big about all these issues. But one who will steer us, one who will carry us, one who brought you here, one who brought me here, one who is taking the torch and he will be showing the way here. He is our closest. It goes many births to realize who's closest.